Hi everybody, today's video is a 1947 Curtis Wright. And this is Linda. And what's your husband's name?
Perry.
Perry.
Linda and Perry Tillman.
And Linda's gonna show us the camper and tell us all about it. And it is a beauty. This is the first one I have ever seen. I know the sun is shining right on here. Hopefully you can see it. And it's so shiny you're probably gonna see me in the reflections. Yeah.
We've got it fixed for Halloween, so...
This is being filmed in October of 2021, so we are at a rally. And so tell me when you bought the camper and what condition it was in.
We have had the camper 8-9 years probably. It has had a frame off restoration from the ground up. So when we bought it, it had already been restored, and we have added curtains, the chair, upholstered the chair. This is the original couch.
I love the fabric.
Bark cloth. It is old stock bark cloth. And we covered the chair as well. And
this is a little toaster oven.
It is, and it has a little hot plate up top.
How cute.
And Curtis Wright, the tag that you may want to show after you get done, says Curtis Wright Aircraft and Trailers.
Is that outside?
Outside.
Yeah, I did show that.
Badge.
Oh, yeah.
And so we ran with the aircraft theme. And on the walls, originally it came with blue Zola tone, but this has been redone when it had its frame off restoration. So it is period correct blue Zola tone. Most of the lighting is original. The two bake light in the front are original. And these are original.
Let me get back around here.
This right here is original. These are fluorescents, are original. There's another one here. These are directional, so you can position the lighting whichever way you want. These are new fixtures here.
Okay.
And this is a new fixture.
Tell me about that radio.
It's from the 40s, and it does work. We haven't got it plugged in to run, but it does work.
And is that a little
electric heater, little coil electric heater that has our remotes on. We try to keep everything original. All the couch, the lockers, the closet and cabinet, and all the kitchen cabinets. It's a front kitchen, are original to the camper.
So there's no bathroom in here?
No, there is no bathroom.
And never was?
No, in 47 they did not have holding tanks or bathrooms. Now we do have the stove. There was a stove here and a large furnace here, but we opted to not put that back in.
That was here where the chair is?
Yes.
Okay.
We added the chair for extra seating.
Yeah, I like it. Kind of feels like Grandma's. Very cozy.
Thank you.
Well, this is gorgeous. And do you have air conditioning? I see you have a vent up there.
Fantastic fans on each end. Fantastic fans.
Okay.
And with the bank of windows down each side, we don't have the need for air, but we are particular what season we take it out.
Right. Yeah. But you don't want to be out in the middle of July in the heat.
And we have taken it twice in July.
And tell me how many campers you have, Linda.
Too many to count right now. No, we have several. This we did take to international, Airstream International. Airstream does recognize Curtis Wright because Wally Baum worked for Curtis Wright in 1947 before he started back up Airstream. And we have last year, well, Doswell, it was canceled, so 2 years ago we got Best of Show and Platinum at Airstream International, and this past year, 2021, in Lebanon, Tennessee, we got Platinum plaques again.
So by having multiple campers, you can take a different one when it's hot out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we do have some with air.
Yeah, so
This
those
does
would be the
not.
ones you use in the summer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Even the step down is gorgeous.
Thank you.
All right, well, thank you, Linda. I'm
Thank
going to
you.
show the outside.
Okay, and we've started putting away, but you're welcome to.
That's all right. I'm just going to show the
All
camper.
right. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, everybody, that's today's video, and how gorgeous is that? Look at the back. It's got eyeballs. They're cardboard inserts. So gorgeous. So give this a thumbs up for sure. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.